So this is Nancy. Welcome back to my channel, and it is so good to be here. Thank you everyone for supporting me, and thank you all the new subscribers for the comments, and thank you for all the likes you have put. Thank you so much. It means a lot. And it's collective reading. I want you to pick up, there are three piles, 1, 2 and 3. This is, I want you to pick up for your counterpart, okay, your other half, your twin flame. Let's see what is the message. I want you to pick up intuitively. Take a deep breath, choose pile 1, pile 2 or pile 3. Let's see what does your masculine needs to tell you, and what do you want to tell to your masculine. Okay, so we'll go 1 first. What do we have here? Okay, so we have the Lovers. So your masculine knows that it is a journey. It is a beautiful journey, trying to be with you, and he is little worried because he knows that he is left you behind. He's ghosted you. Okay, he feels sorry for ghosting you, but he's ghosted you because of some kind of addiction he has. He ghosted you. He doesn't want to talk to you because there is some kind of addiction, some kind of dark side of his which he feels that it is bothering him. That's the reason he can't come to you at this moment. But he knows that this is the connection between you and him. He knows that your connection is so powerful. Okay, so pile 1, your masculine knows your worth. He knows what you are, and he feels really sorry for why he has behaved and been like this with you, by ghosting you, by not talking to you. He really feels very sorry. He really feels very regretful. Okay, but he feels regretful because he has this dark side of his dark addiction which he needs to leave it. And when he knows that it's the time to come to you, he will surely come to you, because he knows this is divinely guided. He knows your value. He knows how important the relationship with you is to him. Okay, let's see what does divine masculine needs to tell you at this situation. Okay, since you chose pile 1, memories. I am not saying what is really on my mind. So he is trying to say that he's not saying what is really on his mind. That's the reason he feels this, he feels very sorry that why he can't come to you and why he cannot contact you or call you at this present moment, because he doesn't know what to say, what is in his mind. He doesn't say things what he really needs to say. Okay, you need to say your masculine in the 5D. You are telling him, you are my strength. You are saying to your masculine, you are my strength. And then this is what overall energy. Okay, thunder drums. There is some kind of like this there is some kind of this movement which has made you go apart from each another. So there was some kind of quarreling, some kind of argument, some kind of misunderstanding which lead you to this separation. And that's what he's saying, that I know you are mine, I know you're there for me. And that's what he's trying to say. I do not say things what is in my mind, in my memories. You are there in my memories, but I cannot say the things which I really need to tell you, which I really need to talk to you. And again, what you are saying is, you are my strength. So this is very beautiful for pile 1. Thank you so much for listening. So we have the pile 2. Whoever chose the pile 2, what is your masculine saying? Okay, wow, this is beautiful. So 2 of cups, your masculine likes this relationship, and he sees this relationship as an equal give and take. Okay, he knows it is being offered by the divine. He knows that if he wants somebody, he wants somebody like you to get married, to see future with. But right now, yes, he is kind of carrying some kind of burdens, some kind of he's carrying some kind of responsibilities. Thank you, angel. He's trying to carry some kind of responsibilities at this time and walk further and come towards you. You see, this was here and this was here. So he knows completely that this is divinely guided. This connection is divinely guided. He must be not knowing it's twin flame connection, but I'm sure he must be knowing it is a soulmate connection. So he knows this is divinely guided. It's a soulmate connection. He is carrying a lot of burden. That's the reason he might be on and off situation with you, because he wants to offer his beautiful love to you. He wants to come, he wants to be with you, and he wants to offer to you. I'm sure he must be being in touch with you in and off. Okay, so this masculine is not like completely ghosted and gone apart. Okay, he is there. Maybe there is little days where he just goes in his man cave and he doesn't want to come out. Okay, and what does he want to tell you? I am thinking about how much I love you. See, this is so beautiful. So, if you think that he's not talking to you or he's busy and he's not, behaving, see, if he falls, he knows to stand up. You're this masculine. He knows if in case he's fallen apart, he knows how to carry himself. He is so strong. Your masculine is so strong, and he says that I think about how much I love you. Your masculine knows how much he loves you. What this is what you want to tell to your masculine in 3D, or telepathically to him, is our connection is strong. Even you are saying equally that no matter if you do not talk to me every day, and if you talk to me only some days, I do understand, because our connection is strong. You are giving him equal. There is equal amount of love from both the ends. It's not that it's only one sided or something. No, it's equal. In twin flame there cannot be any time one sided love. We all know that, right? So it's equally, equal amount of love. And medicine bag is saying that you need to take care of your health. Okay, you'll both, the masculine and the feminine, you'll both need to take care of the health right now. Both are the medicine for each another. Thank you, angels. They're saying me that you want every day to be in touch with your masculine, and your masculine also wants to be in touch with you, but there are these responsibilities. That's the reason sometimes he goes in his man cave and he doesn't want to show up, but it doesn't mean that he doesn't love you. He misses and loves you a lot. So thank you, pile 2. And if you want to go and watch the pile 1 or want to watch the pile 3, you're most welcome. Have a great day. Hello, my pile 3. And we will see what is the message for you. What does your masculine needs to tell you? Okay, so your masculine is in a little bit confusion. Okay, he is a little confused, his work, confused with his family, confused with his responsibility, what he is facing in this current situation, and he wants to make an effort and come to you. He wants to come in a victory. He doesn't want to come to you with not having what he needs to offer to you. So he come to you has everything, and he is like watching on you, divine feminine. He is watching in every move you're taking. He is watching in what you are really wanting and up to right now at this situation. So he wants to make this move, and he wants to come in a victory. He doesn't want to come that he is not settled in his life. He doesn't want to come in there is something lacking behind. He needs to cut off from his old relationship, or he wants to cut off from his certain kind of karmic situation. He doesn't want to come with the karmic with baggage with you. Okay, he wants to cut off all the karmic baggage. He wants to cut off all the karmic situation, and then he wants to make a move to you. So right now he's a little blindfolded. Everything is a little foggy in his life. Okay, he cannot see it very clearly. Things are very shaded. That's the reason. Also, he cannot be talking to you for this reason, or he must have ghosted you, or y'all are in an off situation. Okay, let's see what is the masculine wants to tell you. Please forgive me for ignoring you. Okay, so your masculine is not in touch with you. He is not being in contact with you, but he's saying, please forgive me for ignoring you. So he is really saying that I'm sorry. Please forgive me for ignoring you. Let me see what you want to say to your masculine. What does your higher self, what you want to say in a 3D or a 5D say to your masculine? I love you. No, that is an infinity sign. So you're saying to your masculine, no worries. I love you. I will still be waiting for you. I know you are busy. I know you love me. And I know you are spying on me, and I love you, because your intuition does know that whatever your masculine is doing, because you can understand his energy so well. Okay, so this is a neutral energy eagle medicine. So you also are seeing the whole thing in a different way. You are seeing your relationship with your masculine in a different way. Even when he's not talking to you, you do understand that yes, he is busy, he will come back, and he will come back to you. Okay, I'm so sorry. It fell down, right? And yes, your masculine is also very strong, and you are also very strong, because see, 2 cards fell down. Y'all both are so strong, and even if you get a little bit shady, your masculine gets a little foggy in his mind, and he cannot see clearly, and it's very he gets stuck in his situation in his karmic, he knows to stand up back. He knows and he remembers you all the time. So do not think your masculine doesn't remember you. Okay, have a great day. Thank you so much. God bless you. Love you. Bye bye.